The same batch of fruit can create very different value. Every fruit has its value. Sorting makes sure it reaches the right market. With optical inspection, AI algorithms, and intelligent diversion, GELGOOG redefines fruit grading for modern processing. Engineered with food-grade contact materials and a robust structural design, it delivers stable, reliable performance while gently protecting premium fruit from bruising and quality loss. With high-precision optical recognition, the system delivers multi-dimensional inspection, accurate grading, and stable consistency. AI-powered grading brings speed, consistency, and unified standards to every decision. A visualized operating system simplifies variety switching, grade setting, and data tracking, helping factories move faster towards standardized digital management. Every fruit is sorted by its true quality, directed to the right channel, and matched with the value and application it deserves. From precise inspection to intelligent sorting, the system improves efficiency, reduces product loss, and helps factories build consistent, reliable grading standards. Unlock greater value in every fruit.